with Theodore and Chandler.
Hey, how you doing? Welcome to Hunting and Fishing with Theodore and Chandler.
Episode 3. Today we will travel up to the beautiful waters of Canada and show you different techniques in fishing.
Then we will travel down to the wonderful plains of Kansas and show you different hunting techniques for various animals.
So sit back and enjoy the show, folks.
We'll be right back after a few short messages.
This program is paid in part by Feel Good Pills Incorporated. Are you plagued with headaches, or high temperatures, or nausea in the stomach area, or maybe congestion in the nasal cavities located in the head? Well, not anymore, thanks to the revolutionary new pill from Feel Good Pills. Drink twice a day with 2 quarts of water. Side effects may include drowsiness, aching of the belly, congestion in the nasal cavities, and temperatures around 205 degrees. To order, please call 1-800-3335-4663-74557 or 1-800-FEEL-GOOD-PILLS.
How you doing? We're back with Hunting and Fishing with Theodore and Chandler. Today, we're going to be hunting ducks with shotgun with this beautiful field. Exactly. We'll hunt the ducks. So let's hunt the ducks.
Hey, I think that's a duck. It could be a porcupine, but I'm pretty sure it's a duck. Yep, it's a duck.
Here's a duck. He duck a duck. Hey, Chandler, I think we got some more ducks. Where'd they go?
I hear a duck.
Why are we shushing?
There he is! We got him!
Oh, a duck. Is it dead?
I think so.
Must be from the zoo. Look at all these.
All over it.
Look at all these tags.
Oh,
Good
well.
golly. You sure it's dead?
Yeah.
You had a very successful day of hunting, Chandler.
Show him the bird.
There's a little butte. We go with some potatoes.
Not as beautiful as the gun I shot it with.
Oh yes. This is what I like to call the 12-gauge pump-action pistol grip Mossberg with a quad-barrel revolving rotary Gatling gun. You see, and it's got a fire core recoiling system on the back. When you shoot that many rounds per second, you need a really good recoiling system. So that's why we got the Fire Core 2000. Well, folks, what a great day of hunting on the American West Prairie. We will be right back after these short few announcements with the rest of Hunting and Fishing with Theodore and Chandler.